Let's start by prepping the skin with the primer essence. And for the foundation, I'm gonna apply a medium cover foundation with a glow finish for more natural look. Next, I'm gonna apply cream concealer under my eyes to cover up the dark circles. Now, I'm gonna draw my eyebrow using a skinny eyebrow pencil. And for this look, make sure to make it not too thick. After that, I'm gonna soften the lines by applying an eyebrow powder on top of it. Next, I'm gonna contour my nose. Start from the side of my nose and bring it downwards to the nostrils. And then I'm gonna apply the same shading powder under my jawline and the side of my face to make my face look slimmer. Moving on to the eye makeup, let's start by applying the base eyeshadow first. Yuna wore natural eyeshadow for this look and you can barely see it in the camera as well. Next, I'm gonna apply a dark brown eyeshadow onto the other corner of my eyes to make a longer eye illusion. Next, I'm gonna apply the shimmery dusty rose color onto my eyelid. And then I'm gonna use my finger to apply a one-tone grayish brown glitter eyeshadow onto the middle part. Next, apply a shimmery light pink shadow onto the lower lid. I'm gonna make it easier to draw the wings by drawing it first with a brown eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna trace the line by using a pen liner. I modify the shape a little bit because my eyes are rounder. And then smudge the inner part a little bit like this. Next, I'm gonna apply a white glitter liner beneath the upper line. Next, I'm gonna line my waterline with a black pencil liner. And then apply the mascara. And apply the falsies. Yuna has a high nose bridge, so I'm gonna apply a highlighter onto the bridge of my nose to make it look higher. And then apply a pink beige bronzer onto the cheeks. For the lip color, I'm gonna apply a coral color first. And then apply a dark green color on top of it. And the makeup is done. I hope you liked this tutorial and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!